So hello guys, so for today's video, I'll be telling you about the phase 2 from POEA, one of the requirements of phase 2, which is the pre-employment orientation seminar, which is the PEOS. Okay, so let's focus on PEOS first. So all we have to do is to search in the Google PEOS.com or PEOS registration. See, we have here 8 modules. There are 8 modules here that will prepare you on the reality of working abroad. And we have also some examination per module. So module 1, module 2, module 1 examination, module 2 examination. We just have every examination we have 5 questions. So if you answered it like perfectly or one mistake or two mistake, sometimes there are in my experience, I think I took 2 times because I got 2 wrong answers. So yeah. So take time to study, and also these are the things that we need to know before working overseas. First is that we should have necessary information on overseas job application procedures, which is inculcated in here. Pre-employment orientation seminar. Next is that documentary requirements and cost involved, and the third one is the important information to safeguard against illegal recruitment. So, as the government is very careful with the illegal recruitment, that we should know who to trust. We should know when to trust and when not. Okay? So, all we have to put here is the e-registration number, the last name, and our first name. And especially this is for TFETP program, so it will be professional or skilled. And then we should click the proceed button. Okay, let me first put my e-registration number and last name and first name, and then okay, so as you can see in my screen, I added my e-registration number that you can see under your profile picture in the DMW e-registration account. Kita nyo po yung attachment na profile picture, and then dito sa part na to, profile picture, and then yung number, e-registration number, and then yung passport picture. So, dun yun siya makikita. And then, we're gonna click proceed button. After po nito, we can see module 1, which is the module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, module 6, module 7, 8, and then print certificate. So, what do we need here? Dito po, we need just the certificate, but also the knowledge that we can get in each module. So, it means if you cannot answer yung questions per module, it means that just click this. For example, we have here lesson number 1. It's all about prices. So yeah, these are the information, and then we're gonna overview. So yeah, you can answer or then check your answers afterwards after you answer the questions. It's 5. And also every trial, the questions are different. Every try, in each trial, in each examination, it will be reshuffled. So yeah, no need to say pagaya ako, or ano ba answer mo sa module 1. So yeah, it's not appropriate na manulad kasi magkakaiba yung tanong per module. Okay, anyways, it's all about the module itself. For example, the questions are in each module. So, ang mga tanong, kuhanin lang siya sa loob ng mga binasa ninyo. Anyways, this will be the print certificate after you finish all of the required examination per module. And then, you're gonna print it and then you will upload it into your phase 2 after your clearance. So, sabi ko sa inyo, una muna is you should submit your requirements. After that, waiting for approval and then evaluation, and then after evaluation for approval again, and then after approval, clearance, and then you can upload your phase 2 documents, and then after that, you will have an appointment with POEA in any branches, and then you will pay for some 7,215 pesos, I guess. And if you have any payment, for example, branches ng Pag-ibig, nagpay ka na sa labas, so dalhin mo po yung iyong resibo or bring the receipt para mamenos dun sa 7,000. Okay, anyways, I got this news from one of our facilitator in PEOS that kailangan daw magbayad sa mismong POEA ng Pag-ibig. But I will just bring my receipt. Baka naman mamemenos yun. So this will be the needed certificate for us to complete the phase 2 requirement. So God bless teachers for your application, and I hope you learned from this video. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.